big, bin, bridge, fin, fridge, give, grin, king, lid, pig, pin, quiz, ring, sing, skin, slim, spin, spring, sting, string, swim, swing, thin, thing, tin, twig, twin, wig, win, wing. Brick, chip, dip, dish, drip, fish, fist, fit, fix, gift, hip, kick, knit, lift, lip, list, miss, missed, mix, quick, risk, shift, ship, sick, sit, six, slip, stick, switch, this, trick, trip, twist, witch, wish, wrist. Nib, nip, rib, rip, bid, bit, grid, grit, hid, hit, kid, kit, lid, lit, slid, slit, pig, pick, wig, wick, ridge, rich, his, hiss. Bill, chill, drill, fill, grill, hill, ill, kill, mill, pill, skill, spill, will, build, film, guilt, milk, silk. Fingerprints, thick-skinned, individual, dipstick, bigwig, skinflint, hillbilly, silverfish, insufficient, inconsistent, intermittent, inapplicable, inconsiderate, inefficient. Begin, bitter, busy, city, chicken, different, difficult, dinner, figure, guilty, idiot, injure, innocent, insect, interesting, kitchen, kitten, little, middle, opinion, picture, pillow, pity, pretty, river, scissors, silly, sister, sticky, tickle, tricky, typical, window, winter. Big business, binge drinking, a bitter wind, a brick building, silicon chips, the inner city, living conditions, a film critic, a difficult decision, an English dictionary, Christmas dinner, a fizzy drink, written English, a film script, physically fit, a quick fix, flip a switch, a giggling fit, the village idiot, an innocent victim, a kiss on the lips, little children, skim milk, the missing link, a bitter pill, a sinking ship, a stiff drink, a business trip, a wicked witch, a wish list, a big difference, English literature, as fit as a fiddle, sink or swim. Sit still. Liz lives in Italy. Phil's as fit as a fiddle. Isabel drinks skim milk. Did Dylan win the competition? This put him in a difficult position. Fish and chips is originally a British dish. Bridget's kids are sick of chicken for dinner. Christopher and Imogen are in their mid-50s. The living conditions in the inner city are abysmal. Jill didn't stick to the script but instead improvised. Lydia lives in a little village in the middle of England. Melissa's interested in the history of English literature. It's fulfilled his ambition of becoming a physical therapist. Will Patricia give me her recipe for ginger and garlic chicken wings? My dictionary of English idioms disappeared within 15 minutes. In my opinion, Jim's quick thinking, but I think Sid's pretty dim-witted. Who was commissioned to build the bridge across the Mississippi River? My little sister's a bitter cynic and my big sister an interfering busybody. We established a statistically significant difference between British and Finnish children. He can mix 6 drinks in a minute. 6 is very quick. He does it for a living. 6 isn't quick if he does it for a living. This is ridiculous. It's silly. Nearly 50 different symbols. For nearly 50 different English sounds. Give me a sip of your drink. Only if you give me one of your fish sticks. Are you swindling me? Business is business.